The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, in collaboration with Lovely Professional University India, has organized a guest lecture series to acquaint the newly admitted students of the two universities about career opportunity in computer science. The webinar, which was themed Smart Entrepreneurship in IT, was held in the School of Computing on Friday, 16th December 2022. The joint conference was conducted as part of an effort to implement the Agreement on Academic Cooperation signed recently by the two prestigious universities. In his presentation, the AG Dean School of Computing MAAUN, Professor Ibrahim Alhaji Lawan, stressed the importance of entrepreneurship in promoting economic growth, job creation, and social welfare in the country. Professor Lawan, who spoke at length on career fields on IT, noted that the discipline has introduced remarkable flexibilities in the field of entrepreneurship, making it more market-friendly and rewarding. He disclosed that the new information technology IT created significant changes in accessing information and provide more robust communication infrastructure. Earlier, the head International Office Engineer Bashir Gerbra explained that the session was designed to intimate the students of the partner institution on the recent advancements, challenges, experiences, and success stories in all areas of computing and engineering. He enjoined the students to make best use of the opportunity to enable them actualize their career goals in future. Speaking during the conference, the moderator of the program from LPU, Mr. Salil Batra, described the paper as an excellent masterpiece whose thoughts resonate with the contemporary trends in the internet technology. He expressed appreciation to all participants from the two institutions who put their best to ensure the success of the program. The virtual conference was attended by students and some staff of Corporate Commission and Protocol Unit CCPU of MAAUN Kano.